Hello everyone, I'm looking for game and I've been looking for some free video editing software and I found three viable solutions. Let's dive in. First software is DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve looked pretty nice, but it was crashing so often I couldn't use it and I couldn't create any project. The second option is HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express is really modern looking and it has great user-friendly graphical user interface. In HitFilm, it's easy to navigate, find the basic tools you need for editing video, but the rendering time was about the same length as the video you want to create, and that was for 720p. Also, the installation process is pretty weird because you have to create an account at the site, then you get email with the downloading link, and then you have to activate your license. The third option is Lightworks. Lightworks is just from another world because the graphical user interface is not intuitive, but it may be great for professionals. Just a quick tip, learn how to use blue and red diamonds because they are crucial to working with Lightworks. In contrast to HitFilm Express, the Lightworks rendering times are impressive. They are much shorter than the actual video length. In addition, you have many export options. You have audio editing options, colors editing options, which I just didn't find in HitFilm Express. Now it's time for summary. If you want to create a quick video, I would choose HitFilm Express. And if you want some quality editing tool, choose Lightworks. I hope this will help you a bit. See you soon. Bye.